To lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. You need to find the right diet and exercise to lose weight. But there are certain fruits, fishes, vegetables and other foods that can aid the weight loss process. It is needless to say, the importance of eating vegetables regularly. Vegetables are very weight loss friendly also. Eating a lot of vegetables can give a boost to your weight loss journey. Vegetables are low in calories, and rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, which may help a lot to burn fat. In this video, you will know about the best 5 weight loss vegetables, which will make you slim quickly. Before going to our main discussion, there is a question for you. Are you working hard, but cannot control your stubborn belly fat? Then we have a special gift for you. Download our belly fat loss ebook for free from our website. Download link is in the description. Spinach is considered as a powerhouse vegetable. Spinach leaves are packed with a very high fiber content, and are also low in fat. 1 cup of spinach contains only 7 calories. Spinach will keep you full for longer, and will restrict you from eating too many calories. 1 cup of spinach will also provide you protein, magnesium, calcium, vitamin A, iron and potassium. Don't forget to add spinach to your daily diet. You can add it to a salad, or prepare something with it. Number 2. Celery. Celery is another wonder food that makes you lose weight. Celery is known as negative calorie foods. These are foods that burn more calories than they contain. Celery also provides dietary fiber, which boosts digestion and weight loss process. Drinking celery juice every morning can help you lose weight, as it is nutritious and low in calories. So, drink celery juice instead of sweetened beverages. Cucumber has long been known for its numerous health benefits, and it is a highly recommended weight loss vegetable also. The cucumber contains 96% water, and are loaded with only 45 calories. Cucumbers can be an easy-to-digest late-night snack. Cucumbers can help to flatten your belly also. You can eat cucumber raw, or as juice or smoothie. We know that mushrooms have many medicinal properties, but did you know that they are natural weight loss foods also? Mushrooms are rich in protein, and can help you increase your metabolism, resulting in fat loss. Not only that, but mushrooms can also keep the body at a healthy weight, by regulating and balancing the blood sugar levels. Mushrooms can also help to burn extra belly fat, as it is the only natural source of vitamin D. Insufficient levels of vitamin D have been linked to higher levels of belly fat. Carrots are also a weight loss superfood. Like spinach, carrots are naturally low in calories, and full of nutrients that can help your weight loss efforts. That's why nutritionists and fitness enthusiasts often advise to include carrots to diet. A cup of raw carrot contains only 50 calories. Due to its high fiber, 1 glass of carrot juice will help you to stay full until lunch, and thus stop you from overeating. You can juice them, boil them, or add carrots to your dishes, and salad also. Which vegetable do you think is best for quick weight loss? Comment your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get new videos regularly. Like and share this video if you find this video helpful.